Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add face recognition on Samsung. Go to Settings, scroll down a bit, go to Security and Privacy, tap on Lock Screen. You need to create a screen lock first, then go to Biometrics Face Recognition and click Continue. Now we need to register our face. Hit the button and a frame will appear. Position your face in it. When you hear the sound, it means it worked. Now let's try to unlock the device by looking at the camera. Sometimes it says face doesn't match. Maybe it was badly created. I registered my face a few times and almost every time it doesn't work on the first try. Finally, it worked. Sometimes you need to move your head a bit higher, change the angle, and then it should be okay. As you can see, the device unlocked without the screen lock just by looking at the camera. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.